This video will show the unpacking of DEVIreg Basic thermostat, make an overview of the contents, and will show how to assemble them into one unit. For the DEVIreg Basic, the unpacking is as follows. We open the slider, take out the instruction manuals, please save those. Inside of the packaging we have the product presented. So this is the actual thermostat, the inlay, then we have the power supply presented as such. And finally, by further opening the inlay, the frame, and then naturally for the DEVIreg Basic, most important part, the floor sensor. So for the DEVIreg Basic, the contents of the package are in front of us here. The power supply unit is mounted into the wall, of course with the floor sensor off of the floor, so in the conduit pipe in the bottom. Then as follows, on the outside goes the frame, and then the thermostatic device can be installed as such.